Welcome to today's Echelon Experience, your daily source for headline news. This is Kimberly Lee with your update for today. On Friday, the DOJ released more than 3 million files and videos from the Epstein case. U.S. Deputy AG Todd Blanche said, "Today we are producing more than 3 million pages, including more than 2,000 videos and 180,000 images. No one is above the law." In a batch of documents were emails sent from Epstein to himself to document interactions with Bill Gates and memorializing a fight they had. In one series of emails, Epstein recounts Gates telling him how he got STDs from Russian prostitutes and then asked Epstein for antibiotics so that he could secretly give them to his then wife, Melinda, without her knowledge. As the trove of documents are reviewed, more revelations are expected in the days and weeks to come. We will be reporting on the story as it develops, so stay tuned. And that'll do it for today's Echelon Experience. Join us on the Montaga podcast for more every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and Rumble. See you then.